Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to turn a simple sheet of paper into a touch-sensitive piano using the Raspberry Pi Pico. For this project, I'm using Maker Pi Pico with a few jumper wires. In this tutorial, we will use Thony editor and CircuitPython to build the code for this project. If you are not familiar with Thony, check out the video in the description to learn how to get started with it. Visit the CircuitPython website and download the latest library bundle. Unzip the file and locate these two libraries. Copy and paste them into a lib folder on your CircuitPy drive. Now open the code.py file and write this code into it. This code reads the touch inputs from the jumper wires and plays corresponding musical notes on the buzzer while showing color lights on the new pixel. Take a sheet of paper and draw a piano keyboard using a pencil. Stick jumper wires on the keys using tape or blue tack. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.